What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today, I got a commission sign that I did for Kaylee. She's the owner of Sabotage Siren Tattoo Shop right here in Austin, Texas. And you know what? We just made a fun little wood cutout sign that's just reminding clients that it's okay to tip your artist. It's probably a good idea too. I'm going to show you how I made it. Let's get in the project. I got about halfway through painting these letters and I didn't really care for the blue, so I decided to paint the whole thing red, but that's no big deal because all I gotta do is just wait for these letters to be good and dry and I just plow over it with some red paint. Easy fix. For the face, I wanted to hammer in some real small details, so I went ahead and had to pick up some new brushes. These ones are small, they drop down to 20-0. I don't know, they're kind of on the cheap side, so this whole thing could look like crap in the end, so You decide. Link for the brushes in the description. So this isn't the first sign I've gotten to do for Sabotage Siren. Kaylee commissioned me to do a sign for her earlier in the year. I'll leave a link for it right here. She's been a big supporter of the channel. I just love it when artists support other artists, so big shout out to her. Her Instagram is linked in the description below. If you're in Austin, Texas, swing by the shop, get a tattoo. Tell her that I sent you. Guys, thank you so much for 2019. It's been such a great year here on YouTube for me. And thank you so much if you've bought a t-shirt or artwork or print from me. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, let me know what you're doing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time. Oh yeah, that looks dope. Oh man, that looks dope. Look at that thing.